it's Nora. So today I'm gonna make cream and Nutella bread. Okay guys, here's the bread. Now let's cook the bread. Here I put the bread here. Now let's cook it. Okay guys, here's the bread. Let's see the fire first. Okay. If the bread's still in cooking, now let's get the Nutella first. Okay guys, here's the Nutella. Now let's get the cream. This one. What I use is this cream. Milk Rosal Supreme for cream, but it's for like a drinks only, but if it's really I wanted to get it to the bread, then I use this. Now let's go. Let's see the bread. Okay guys, the bread is still uncooked. Okay, now let's wait. Okay guys, the bread is ready. Wow, it's hot. Let's get some, maybe a tissue. Okay, now let's get it out. Wow guys, it's hot. Let's put it on the tissue. Okay, here's the bread now. Let's put the Nutella first. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here's the Nutella now. Let's put the cream. Let's put the cream. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, that's enough, I guess. Okay, oh my god, the cream. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Now, let's eat it. Okay guys, before we eat, now let's brush our hands first. It's dirty. Okay guys, here is it. The creamy Nutella bread. I can't wait to try it again. It's great. Alright guys, that's all for me. I'm gonna make another bread, but tomorrow because my bread is empty. Okay, bye guys. See you next time.